Creating a high converting landing page on HubSpot is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can create a high converting landing page on HubSpot. The process is pretty simple. For that, you just have to get to Google and there you have to search for HubSpot landing page builder. Now you just have to search for that and then you just have to go to the first link which should say easily build beautiful landing pages for free by HubSpot. Now, as you can see, HubSpot has a free landing page builder. Once you are, subscribed to HubSpot and you have the subscription, you just have to click on this get started for free. Obviously, it will want you to log in. After logging in, what you will be able to do is they will give you some templates, some AI assist to create you a beautiful landing page. Now, making it high conversion is actually depending upon the builder. So for that, you need to have obviously some sort of experience, some skills at what takes to make a landing page a high conversion page. You just have to make sure you apply those skills, and that's how you'll be able to create a high converting landing page on HubSpot. Please find this video helpful.